I want to do a deep conditioner. I have this Jamaican black castor oil intense repair mask. It's just a little bit remained, and I feel like this one can be enough for my hair because my hair is quite short. But before I start, I always like to mix my conditioner. It doesn't matter whether the conditioner is I purchase it or it's a DIY conditioner. I always like to put my onions oil. So this is like a DIY onions oil. I just like to open it, and I just pour a little bit of the onions oil, because this is the only time I get to use this oil when I'm washing my hair, as you guys can see. Because of the smell, it smells literally like onions, but it's really good for hair growth. I use this mostly with deep conditioners when I'm doing my own DIY deep conditioners, or deep conditioners that I purchase in the store, because sometimes you don't always have the energy to do deep conditioners, so, or to make your own hair mask. Because sometimes I do purchase deep conditioners or hair mask at the store, and I put the onions oil in it. So I'm going to first start with my hairspray, just water, just to loosen my hair a little bit. I washed my hair last night. I was actually supposed to do this deep conditioner last night, but the girl was tired. I was so tired, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do it today, because today I have some few things to do around the house. So I use this as an opportunity to just leave this on my head whilst I do some chores around the house. And how long I'm gonna leave it for, I don't know. You can leave it in for 30 minutes, but I'm sure mine is going to be much more longer than that, because I'm going to leave it until I'm done with all my chores, all the things I need to do for today, and then take shower, and that's the time I'm going to wash it out. Like I said, the conditioner is not really that much. I actually used it on the girl's hair, and then it kind of remained a little bit. So I thought, you know, let me just use it on my own hair as well. Because my hair I've not been really doing that much to my hair, honestly speaking, since I did my big chop. Not really much. All I did is just put on some wig. I purchased some wigs from AliExpress, which they're like glueless wig, and trust me, one curly, one straight, and that is what I have been actually putting on. I barely put any wig that has any glue. So yeah, and it feels so good when you're back home. You just remove the wig and just go back to your short bald head. I love it. So we're done. Everything is finished. Finito. So now I'm just going to massage the product into my head very well. Give it a good massage. Really give it a good massage. This is my TWA short natural hair. Massage. Oh, you can smell the onions on the hair so badly. And notice that when I've not been putting any wig, I've not been really braiding my hair, my edges are starting to come back together. Look, my edges is coming back together, and I'm very grateful for that. So now that is done, take a plastic bag, let's wrap it. And this is going to stay in till I'm done with every other thing else I need to do in this house. Shower cap on. And voila. Now I'm going to do my stuff, and later on I will wash it off, and that's it. So the product is finished. It's time to just get rid of the container. And yeah, I did pick up some new conditioner from TK Maxx. I did pick this one up, this brand. I did pick their conditioner. I pick also their shampoo. I pick up quite a lot. I pick like 5 of this. I pick 3 conditioner, 2 shampoos. So I have one of the shampoo and the conditioner there ready to use, and these ones here are just like backup. So yeah, I really loved it. So yeah, this is it. So I washed the conditioner out. My hair feels really nice. So now I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'm actually using the Blue Magic leave-in conditioner, but I pour it into this bottle because it's much more easier by pumping. You guys can see this, the Blue Magic leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this one, and I'm also going to use my DIY hair growth oil that I made. I don't use this on my hair that often because I have not been really doing a lot to my natural hair. I'm more like focused more on the kids' hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this to moisturize my hair. It has this white residue that it leaves, but definitely it's going to dry and absorb into the hair. That's one thing I love about this conditioner. And I just love how this conditioner makes my hair feel, this leave-in conditioner from the Blue Magic. I just love the way it makes my hair feel. A friend of mine was like, oh, it's not natural hair product, the ingredients are not natural, but my hair feels really good compared to some of the 100% natural hair product that I've tried. I really love this one. And also what I normally do is I kind of mix extra shea butter in it to give it that extra moist, especially in the winter time. So I kind of like melt some shea butter and just blend it with it. And that really helps keep my hair very moisturized in the winter. So I'm going to take a little bit of oil, and I'm just going to lock this in. So I'm going for a protective hairstyle. It has been a while since I did a wig, like put a wig on. I normally put a wig on, but it's more of like this glueless wig. You can put it on and put it out whenever you want. But it has been a while since I kind of like glue a wig on my head. So today, let's do something different. I want to try different colors. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, now this is how I moisturize my hair. And this is how I moisturize my hair, and my hair is growing a little bit, you know. My hair is very thick when it's grown. It's like very thick hair. Reasons why I like to cut it, because it's much more easy to manipulate than when it's long. When it's long, it's a whole lot of struggle. But yeah, this is what my natural hair look like, and this is how I keep my hair moisturized. Hope you all like this video, and I'll see you all in my next video.